All right, we're just gonna do a quick video today for anybody that's looking for a firearm that's easy to take down and maintain. This goes for anybody that's new to firearms, as well as anybody who is, regularly proficient in taking apart their firearms and just wants a nice, fun, easy to take apart gun. So we're gonna start this off here. This is the Beretta Pico. It's clear, and then the magazine. Super easy to take apart. It's a 380. You turn this little dial here, and that's it. Apart. Spring comes off. Magazine obviously is right there. Barrel comes out, and you're done. So that one came apart really easy. If we slide that aside, we'll move on to the next one. If I can quit knocking the parts apart. Go to its big brother, or bigger brother. This is also Beretta PX4 Storm Compact. And take this one down. There's a little pin there and pin there. You just pull down on those. It slides apart. That comes apart, that comes off. Barrel comes out. And you're done. Okay. Moving right along, we're going to go into the SIG P320 Compact. Lock slide back. Turn the takedown lever. Slide that off. Comes out. Barrel comes out. Slide. And you could take this completely down, which I'll just show you real quick. Pull out the takedown lever. The whole trigger assembly comes out, and that's the firearm in this case. Now, if you wanted to go a step further, you have the FNS 9C. You can lock that back. Let's make some room here. Lock that back. This one works kind of like the SIG, but also kind of like the Glock. So after you let that forward and pull the trigger and slide it, comes out, barrel comes out, and then you're done. So those are all very easy to take apart. And now we're going to do a quick reassemble in reverse order here. So just stay tuned, keep track of the time. On mine, this takedown lever is a B. It likes to always get stuck there or whatever on mine. Everybody else I know that has one of these does not have that problem with their takedown lever. Rotating barrel on this one, you just have to make sure you get it locked back in right. Not that hard. I like to just hold my finger against the back of it while I'm sliding it. Pretty easy. Of course, the one time I do that, it doesn't line up how it should. There we go. There we go. And they're all back together.